안녕하세요. 이신 채널에 온 걸 또 환영합니다. 스니징 파트예요. 오늘 읽을 거는요. One day, a pot came flying out of the sky with a strange pot. Kitty and Meow put potatoes into the pot, one here, one there. There are 2 potatoes in the pot. The pot sizzles and steams. Mr. Pot, make them yummy. Ah. Then the pot nose tickled. Achoo! One potato flies out, the other potato remains in the pot. Kitty and Meow eat the potato that's left. We're still hungry. Kitty and Meow put sweet potatoes into the pot. One there, one here. There are 2 sweet potatoes in the pot. Let's put in one more. There are 3 sweet potatoes in the pot. Mr. Pot, make them yummy. The pot sizzles and streams. Then the punk nose tickle again. Chew! The 2 sweet potatoes fly out. 1 sweet potato remains in the pot. Kitty and Meow eat the sweet potatoes that's left. We're still hungry. Kitty and Meow put corns into the pot. Mr. Pot, making yummy. The pot sizzles and steams. Then the pot nose tickle again. Oh no, not again. Kitty and Meow pushed on the corks. The pot's face gets red. Achoo! Popcorn flies out everywhere like snowflakes.